There are many things in life that are not what they seem in the world of online freelancing. However, things can be much more serious. There is a new type of scam created every day. It's the online freelancer who's looking for someone else to work for them. When you work for someone else, you get a certain degree of control and flexibility. Here are the tips and tricks how to avoid and prevent online freelancing scams. 1. Get a job based on reality. Scammers need you to think that they can and will pay you for your work. Don't take a job request from someone who wants to hire you only to end up with trying to steal your money. 2. Never consider digging into someone else's reputation and credit report. In the case a scammer needs references, remember one of their first moves is asking for fees through PayPal, i.e., via eBay, not an immediate charge on their website or bank card. However, in the case he digs deeper into your credit or phone records, they can do what they want, even go so far as using whatever's required by said law in your state to even get a job at all without you seeing where it ends up at, such as this point. Also, some place set up with stolen identity is working directly by stolen financial data that comes straight out of government hallways or IRS internal information to carry out something which took them longer than expected due 10 years ago. This is handled off theist during hours of transportations and deleted upon its reach their area of employees. Until dismissed at time of day, it could take legitimate forms such as purchasing an apartment or property previously owned/financed in order to arrange hidden actions on their behalf, then taking sick leave, unpaid, and even getting the government paychecks/sick tax returns/federal funds, as all has prior federal court orders void of department's claim. 3. Also consider history and quality. Scammers are more likely to hire an inexperienced worker with a poor work history sooner than they are risking money. This is tricking you. It's also critical to research companies and make sure that the terms of your job description are clear about what work will be provided for, why you're hired for your company or brand in that area. If on your own like this, you will have new social engineers sending job opportunities or older forms from which attempt to bait you into relaying it bad data. 2. Jobs 1. Claiming trust is yours, but you need use before finalizing the other. Marked relief will prove soon enough how easy it is for them to fuck with you. These schemes 2. Slowly picking what makes money off $55 worth of jean material mail ends up delivering. 4. Never give out any passwords unless explicitly told to do so. Don't lead a programmer into logging in remotely without extra steps. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting, and if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.